Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So when you download the theme file and unzip it, you will see these three folders. One is documentation and WordPress plugin and project folder. So this is the main project folder. We will work on this folder. So you need to open this folder with your code editor or your terminal, on your terminal, and install the dependencies. So for me, the command line is npm install. Okay, so it will start the installing the dependencies. It will take a few minutes. Once done, we will proceed to next command. Okay, so installation is done. Now open this file, open this folder with our code editor. Okay, so I'm using the Visual Code Studio, and you can use your own favorite code editor. And here I'm going to type npx frontity dev. Okay, so it will start locally with 3000 port. So it will also take few minutes. So the command line was npx frontity dev. Okay, and our this is our theme folder, Portfo theme. Here is our all components, and this is the folder structure. Okay, so you see, locally our site is now running with the dummy data. It's already coming from another WordPress installation. So the next step, you will be need to install WordPress and connect with the frontity. So you see the speed of our website is very fast. Okay, so from here we have frontity settings. This is the current WordPress installation URL. You will be need to install WordPress on your subdomain, and then just need to change the URL from here. Then all the website data will come from your WordPress installation. So next video I will show you how to install the WordPress and how to import this dummy content. Then how can you change the content. Thank you so much.